Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to add money on your Crypto.com app using USDC Global Bank Transfer via Swift. By the way, if you haven't registered on Crypto.com app, check video description for the sign-up link to register and get $25 bonus when you stake for a Ruby card or above. Alright, let's get to the video. Recently, Crypto.com announced that users can now easily transfer US dollar from their bank account via Swift and receive their fund in USD Coin or USDC, which is a stablecoin pegged to US dollar via Swift. To enable USDC wallet, open your Crypto.com app, tap on Accounts, tap on Fiat Wallet, and here you will see a banner, USDC Bank Transfer. Tap on Enable Now. Set up USDC bank deposits. Purchase crypto with your balance instantly and transfer up to 100,000 USD in a day and receive your funds in USDC at 1:1 ratio. The process may take an average of 3 to 6 business days for funds to appear in the wallet. Click on Next. Here's how it works. First, set up a bank account deposits by submitting your bank information and billing address. After that, verification may take up to 3 business days for Crypto.com to review your submission. They will notify you once your bank account is verified. And lastly, use the provided deposit information to transfer USD from your bank account and receive the fund in USDC at 1:1 ratio. Minimum deposit will be 500 USD, daily maximum will be 100,000 USDC, and monthly maximum will be 250,000 USDC. Click on Add Bank Account now. Add your bank account in a few simple steps. Tap on Get Started. Here, you provide your bank account information to connect your bank account and USDC wallet. Provide a billing address associated with your bank account and review the information you have entered. Please make sure the information you have entered matches your bank records. Incorrect information will result in the rejection of your deposit. After you have submitted your application, they may ask you to provide additional supporting documents. They will notify you in the app once your application is approved, and you can also contact customer service in case you have questions. Here are the following regions that are eligible to use USDC Global Bank Transfer. Once your application is approved and you have successfully connected your bank account and USDC wallet, you can start depositing USD to receive USDC via Swift using your Crypto.com app. Please note they only accept deposits from verified bank accounts. Deposits from unrecognized bank accounts or with missing or incorrect unique codes will be rejected and a $50 refund fee will be deducted. Please allow 3 to 6 business days for your deposit to be reflected in your USDC wallet. For the deposit limits, please see the chart. Here are some common questions that you may ask. Can I use third-party payment processor like Wise, PayPal, etc. to make deposits? To answer that, Crypto.com cannot receive funds deposited from third-party payment processing companies like PayPal or Wise. So please only use Swift to transfer funds from your bank account to your USDC wallet. Another question, what currencies are accepted? Only US dollar are accepted at this time. Lastly, how much is the fee to deposit funds into your USDC wallet? Crypto.com does not charge fees for USDC deposits via Swift, but your bank may apply a processing fee. Please reach out to your banking institution for more information. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Crypto.com video tutorials. See you on my next video.